Number 1. 1990 Ford F250, price $5,250, with 176,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. It features a brown exterior paired with a tan interior and is powered by a 460 Ci gasoline V8 engine in a 2WD configuration. The truck has a clean title, and a valid smog certificate is in hand. According to the Carfax report, the odometer has rolled over once. It is rust-free and was previously used as a ranch truck for a vineyard in Santa Ynez. The front right fender was repaired and repainted at some point in the past. The vehicle has new tires and wheels, along with a newly installed steering box. The air conditioning system needs a recharge, however, the fan and switch have been replaced. Both fuel tanks are fully functional, and the tank switch operates properly. Number 2. 1994 Ford F150, price $8,000, with 152,000 miles, equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. It features a red exterior with a gray interior and is a super clean truck with zero rust. The paint is in good condition for its age, showing only a few minor dings and scratches. While the camper shell does have some clear coat issues, the truck has been well maintained and the engine is healthy. Everything functions properly, including the air conditioning and heating system, as well as both fuel tanks and their fuel pumps. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs, wires, distributor cap and rotor, a fuel filter replacement, a fresh oil change, and a new belt. Overall, this F-150 is a solid, reliable truck that has been cared for properly and remains in great condition for its year. Number 3. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, solid and reliable everyday truck. It has 165,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in brown, and while the paint is not perfect, it still presents well from about 10 feet away. The truck runs very well and has received many new parts over time. Inside, the interior is exceptionally clean and well maintained, rated at approximately 9.5 out of 10, making it one of the strongest points of the vehicle. The only notable issue is the speedometer, which works intermittently. A new sensor has already been installed, so the problem is likely related to a wiring issue or the gauge cluster itself. Number 4. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,900. This truck has a clean title and has traveled approximately 130,000 miles, which is considered low for its year. It is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, and the truck runs great with no known mechanical issues. The exterior is finished in white, complemented by a burgundy interior that has been well kept and remains in good condition, reflecting careful ownership over the years. Although the owner would prefer to keep the truck, it has mostly been sitting and is not being used as much as it should be. Overall, the vehicle has been well maintained and remains reliable. The only noted downside is that the fuel gauge on the instrument cluster is not currently working, but this does not affect the truck's drivability. Number 5. 1982 Ford F150, price $4,900, powered by a gasoline V6 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission. It has only 74,000 original miles, making it a solid example for its year. The truck comes in a blue exterior paired with a black interior, both of which are in great condition considering its age. A new starter was recently installed, and the carburetor has just been adjusted, so the engine runs strong and smoothly. Inside, the interior is clean and well cared for, showing no major wear and remaining very comfortable. The body is straight overall, with only a few light scratches and minor dings, typical for a vehicle of this era. The wheels and tires are in good shape, and the truck holds a clean title with current smog. Registration tags will simply need to be brought up to date. Number 6. 1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500, well-known classic GMC pickup that represents the rugged, old-school design these trucks are loved for. It is an SLX extended cab model equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. The truck has approximately 300,140 miles, showing its long history of use while still maintaining its classic character. The vehicle rides on nice wheels with great tires, adding to its overall stance and road-ready look. Although the driver's seat has a small rip, the truck still presents well and retains its authentic vintage charm, making it a solid choice for someone looking for a dependable classic GMC Sierra or a project-friendly truck with strong visual appeal. Number 7. 1988 Ford F150, price $6,600. This truck has approximately 156,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a gray interior. The truck is powered by a 302 EFI engine mated to a C6 automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance. The air conditioning blows extremely cold, and the heater works properly, making it comfortable to drive in any weather. The interior is described as clean and well maintained, and it comes with a new radio system that includes Bluetooth and USB connectivity. The truck is equipped with dual fuel tanks, though only the front tank is currently connected. There is some surface rust, particularly on the rear passenger side fender, consistent with the vehicle's age. Number 8. 1984 Ford F150, price $7,500, powered by a 302 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic AOD transmission. It features a black exterior with a tan interior and comes with factory air conditioning. The transmission has been freshly rebuilt with the correct locker cable setup, along with a new carburetor and a new exhaust system including headers wrapped in titanium. The brakes and suspension have been serviced with new components as needed, and the truck sits on all new tires. The interior has been refreshed with new carpet, seat covers, and door panels. The factory air conditioning system is complete. Although not currently connected, the compressor feels good. The truck has new fenders and new floorboard panels installed, with only minor rust spots and minimal bodywork and paint needed to be fully finished. It comes with a clean Florida title. Number 9. 1990 Ford F150, price $4,990, with 114,000 miles, featuring an automatic transmission and a gasoline engine. The truck comes in a white exterior with a blue interior, offering a clean and classic appearance. The air conditioning was removed years ago, but both the power windows and swing windows are fully functional. It has received a good amount of recent maintenance, including a new radiator, starter, solenoid, front tires, passenger side ball joint, and a complete front end alignment. All essential fluids, transmission, brake, power steering, differential, and coolant have been recently changed. The interior has also been refreshed with new floor mats. Overall, this F-150 has been well maintained and remains a solid, reliable classic truck ready for daily use. Number 10. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. It is equipped with a manual 5-speed transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a red exterior paired with a matching red interior. This vehicle is being sold as a roller with a motor and transmission installed. It has a carbureted 5.3 engine, but it is not currently running and will require wiring and several other components to be completed. The manual 5-speed transmission is still in place. As noted, this is strictly a project truck and does not run or drive. Despite being a project, the truck has a nice interior and includes a dash cap installed over the dashboard. It sits on new tires and is equipped with Caltrax on the rear. The rear end has been lowered, giving it a modified stance.